Vanakkam. It is a great privilege and pride for me to comment on a book. The name of the book, 160 Year Inspirations, written by Mr. Fakir Hassan, popular journalist from Johannesburg, South Africa. South African Indians landed South Africa 160 years before. They all started from Chennai and other port and lived there and worked as a coolie laborer and built South Africa in great level. The South African infrastructure, South African business, South African roads, South African wealth, all built by our Indian community. It is a great pride to know our history through this book. South African Indians not only participated in infrastructure movement, and also they participated in the freedom movement, along with the African National Congress, Mr. Nelson Mandela, the great leader of the world. He created a wonderful society that Indians and South Africans, whites, colored, all living together without any issues. It's such a wonderful society created by the great leader. Our South African Indians, the long 160 years, build their lifestyle in great level. The businessman, industrialist, politician, social worker, professionals, doctors, engineers, advocate, and so on. I seen personally in 2017 through my conference visit, World Tamil Economic Conference conducted by me and my group in Durban. I visited more than 10 times. I seen businessmen and different levels and community of Indian and Tamil community in Durban, in Cape Town, in Johannesburg and other places. We honored some of the popular South African Indians and Tamils in different occasions. We honored recently the great lady, former judge of the South Africa, former judge of the International Criminal Court, former High Commissioner of Human Rights in the United Nations, Ms. Navi Pillai. She got a Nelson Mandela Conflict Resolution Award during the Nelson Mandela Centenary Celebration Conference in Chennai. We will organize a actual function very soon. We organize a virtual function. And also we are planning to establish a statue of Nelson Mandela soon in Chennai. It's a great honor for us to honoring Ms. Navi Pillai. Not only that, we honored Mr. Ravi Pillai, the sitting minister in KwaZulu-Natal, and Mr. Logi Naidu, prominent person and former deputy mayor from Durban, Mr. Vivian Reddy, popular and prominent business leader from Durban, Mr. Karthik Muthusamy, the prominent Tamil leader, industrialist and businessman and hotelier, Mr. Roger Lakshmanan, corporate trainer from Johannesburg. We given award in the name of Crown Jewel of World Tamils in different occasions. Apart from that, we given the great two ladies from South Africa for their contribution for Tamil development. Ms. Mala Lakshmanan She done a wonderful job through radio program. And Shivani Chinnappan, popular dancer, Bharatanatyam and other Indian dancers, Tamil teacher, choreographer, writer, talker, and many other talented personality. We honored, conferred the Valar Tamil Mamani Award. Then after that, we given award for two personalities in the name of Social Activist Award. The South African Karate Federation Chairman, Mr. Sunny Pillai, and popular actress and model, Ms. Tarina Patel. Both are very popular in South Africa, not only South Africa, all over the world. Then after that, we honored International Women's Year last year, Ms. Anita Pillai from Durban. So wherever opportunity, we honoring our South African Indians. Our friend Dr. Jagat Rashigan, former minister running in a university, Bharat University, he honored Mickey Chetty through conferring honorary doctorate few years back. Not only that, we recommended Rosa Lakshmanan to be an honorary consul for Georgia to Johannesburg city. That is also our contribution. We are planning to do many things. We recommended many other personalities for many other awards and rewards. Our people, Indian community, particularly Tamil community, doing a lot of things. Still, they must come up in many fields. Politically, socially, economically, they must build their career in big level. The minorities should concentrate to develop economically. That is the very important message. The great journalist, Mr. Fakir Hassan, taken a lot of initiative to write this book and mentioned many other things through this book. I'm appreciating his initiative. He's taking steps to take in Indians of South Africa messages, information all over the world, particularly to India. My best wishes, Mr. Fakir Hassan, on this occasion. Not only that, I am wishing every South African Indians on this 160th year celebration day, you must shine well you must shining well through your field, through your activities, through your business, through your academic career, through your various involvement. We are ready to support from India whatever your extent. In entire Africa, South Africa is the leader of the African continent. So you had an opportunity to shine well. South Africa is a beautiful country, a resourceful country, wonderful infrastructure. Development is so easy. Use your opportunity, compete internationally, shine every day. World is for competition now, shining and shining through your talent. Talent is very important. My best wishes. Thanks for Mr. Fakir Hassan for this opportunity to give my message. Thank you, thank you, thank you.